Hello children. Today let's learn about food and diseases. We need food for energy and good health. Our food has nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Each nutrient helps the body in different ways. How do we stay healthy? Drink milk daily, eat dairy products, eggs, pulses, fish, and nuts for proteins. Eat potatoes, rice, and sugary foods for carbohydrates. Have ghee, butter, and oils for fats. Enjoy fresh fruits and vegetables for vitamins and minerals. Eat green vegetables for strong teeth and bones. Drink water and eat foods with roughage to help digestion. A balanced diet gives us all nutrients in the right amounts. The 4 food groups are vegetables and fruits, milk and milk products, cereals, non-vegetarian foods. To keep our bodies healthy, we must eat some food from each group every day. Pulses and dairy foods are good sources of protein. Now, what are diseases? A disease is when our body feels discomfort and does not work normally. Diseases can make us weak and unhappy. So it's important to stay healthy by eating good food. Diseases are of 2 kinds. Communicable diseases can spread from one person to another. Deficiency diseases do not spread, caused by lack of nutrients. Communicable diseases are caused by tiny germs. You cannot see them. They live in air, water, and soil. To see these germs, we need a microscope. Causes of communicable diseases. Germs spread diseases by contaminated air, by coughing or sneezing. Contaminated food, flies and germs on food. Polluted water, dirty drinking water. Cuts and wounds, if not covered or cleaned. Contact, touching infected objects or people. Animals, bites from dogs, rats, or insects like mosquitoes. Examples of communicable diseases: polio, typhoid, measles, tuberculosis. Let's learn how to prevent communicable diseases. Keep yourself clean. Cover food and water. Never eat contaminated food. Keep your home clean and ventilated. Remove garbage quickly. Wash fruits and vegetables. Stop water from collecting near your house to keep insects away. Deficiency diseases happen when someone does not eat a balanced diet for a long time. These do not spread from one person to another. Examples: kwashiorkor and marasmus, caused by lack of protein or carbohydrates. Let's continue learning about food and diseases. After talking about deficiency diseases, today we will focus more on what happens when our diet lacks some nutrients. If children do not eat enough proteins and carbohydrates, they can get kwashiorkor or marasmus. Both diseases make children look thin, tired, and weak. Sources of proteins and carbohydrates: eat cereals, tubers, sugar, fruits, eggs, meat, paneer, curd, and soybeans for a healthy diet. Deficiency of fats. Not eating enough fats causes weight loss and tiredness. Add all, ghee, butter, and nuts for fats. Now let's learn about minerals. Minerals are essential for the body to work properly. Lack of minerals can cause calcium deficiency, disease, improper development of bones and teeth. Signs: irregular heartbeat, defective teeth, blood does not clot quickly. Eat milk, curd, green vegetables, and oil seeds. Iron deficiency, disease, anemia. Signs: loss of appetite, headache, tiredness, pale skin, weak nails. Eat nuts, cereals, pulses, green vegetables, eggs, and meat. Iodine deficiency, disease, goiter. Signs: swelling around the neck, slow growth, sometimes mental problems. Eat seafood, fish, and iodized salt. Vitamins are as important as minerals. Not eating enough vitamins can make us sick. Vitamin A deficiency, disease, night blindness, can't see in dim light. Signs: dry skin, cloudy eyes, wrinkled eye, unable to see in dim light. Eat milk, eggs, fish, red, yellow fruits and vegetables. Vitamin B deficiency, Disease, beriberi. Signs, diarrhea, mouth sores, loss of appetite, nervous system problems. Eat whole grains, cereals, pulses, green vegetables, meat, eggs, and chicken. Vitamin C deficiency. Disease, scurvy. Signs, weak teeth, bleeding gums, wounds don't heal quickly. Eat citrus fruits like amla, orange, lemon, guava, green vegetables. Vitamin D deficiency. Disease, rickets. Signs, bow-shaped legs, weak and soft bones. Eat eggs, milk, butter, ghee. Sunlight is also a source of vitamin D. Let's remember some key points. Balanced diet. A diet with all nutrients in right amounts. Communicable diseases are spread by germs through air, water, food, wounds, contact, and insects. Deficiency diseases occur when a nutrient is missing for a long time. These do not spread and are called non-communicable diseases. Let's answer some questions together. A. Tick the correct answer. Marasmus is caused due to deficiency of this nutrient. The answer is A. Carbohydrates. Marasmus can be caused by lack carbohydrates. This deficiency is caused due to deficiency of iodine. The answer is B. Goiter. Goiter is swelling of the neck caused by lack of iodine. This is the cause of typhoid. The answer is C. Polluted water. Typhoid spreads through contaminated water. B. Answer the following questions. What do you mean by a balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the nutrients our body needs in proper proportions: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. How do communicable diseases spread? Communicable diseases spread through air, dirty food, dirty water, cuts and wounds, contact, and insects. What are deficiency diseases? Deficiency diseases happen when a person's diet is missing a certain nutrient for a long time. For example, lack of iron causes anemia. What are the consequences of anemia in young children? Anemia causes tiredness, paleness, loss of appetite, headache, and weak nails in children. Mention 2 ways each for preventing communicable and non-communicable diseases. For communicable diseases, wash fruits and vegetables before eating. Keep food and water covered. For non-communicable diseases, eat a balanced diet. Avoid junk food and eat fresh vegetables and fruits. Higher order thinking skills. Which 2 nutrients are especially important for active growing children? Why? Proteins and carbohydrates are most important. They help children grow, build muscles, and give energy for activities. Value-based question. If someone does not get enough food, they can suffer from malnutrition. To help, you might share your lunch, help get medical advice, or inform a teacher or parent. Life skills. Junk food like chips, burgers, and sugary drinks should be eaten only sometimes as they do not have enough nutrients needed for health. Home assignment project. Put cooked vegetables in 2 bowls. One in the fridge, one in the kitchen. After 3 days, the kitchen bowl will smell bad because food gets spoiled quickly in warmth.